Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are gonna learning how we can update company information in Salesforce. So every company or whichever the company use Salesforce CRM applications, for them this is the important topic. So in this video I will show you what are the things we can update in company information, what are the things we are not able to update in that details. Now maybe these things are very small admin settings, but actually it's very important because this sections contains organization details, default settings, instance information, storage usage. All these things are we can only able to see in company information. So let's understand everything step by step. So we will start with what is company information in Salesforce. Okay, we will understand very simply. Company information is like the main identity section of your Salesforce org. It will store some information like company name, organization ID, Salesforce edition, instance, user license, storage usage. All this important information only stored in your Salesforce company information section. Basically, it contains all the important org level information. Then how to open company information? So first we need to click on gear icon, open the setup. So once you open the setup, you simply in quick find box, you search like company information. In the section of company settings, in the below you can see company information. You simply click on that, it will open this section. So once it's open, what are the important things you need to see? Now Salesforce shows many important details. Let's understand them by one. So the first heading is company name. So in here you can see I have a Fingertip Technologies Limited. So this is my company name. But if you open your Salesforce org, it will show your company name. So this is the organization name. Then, and the most important details is organization ID. If you just scroll below, in right side, you can see like salesforce.com organization ID. So this is the ID. It's a very important unique ID for each company or each CRM application. It will different. Every Salesforce org has a unique org ID. This ID is used in support cases, integration, deployment. In that below, we have something like organization edition. So currently it is in developer edition, but in Salesforce, we have a multiple edition like professional edition, enterprise edition, unlimited edition. But this particular org is developer edition. So based on your edition, it will show the organization edition. So means the edition means is nothing but shows which edition you are currently using. It may be a enterprise, it may be a professional, it may be a unlimited. So this is effects on future available. So if you are use unlimited edition, you will get more feature like that. So based on the edition only, you will get or you can able to use the features. So then below we have a something like CIN98. So this is we call it as instance. It will actually means where org is hosted. That number or the unique number it will show. Again, if you scroll below, in here you can see user license. So user license means, so in this section shows all the total license and used license in Salesforce. Currently this org I have total 4 Salesforce license. In that 4, I used already 4. So remaining is 0. Same like it will show how much total license and how much user are used like that. So if you scroll top again, so in here you can see like use data space. If you open company information, in here you can also able to see like show how much data space is consumed or how much storage is used like that. So in here we have a two types. One is data storage, second one is file storage. So currently data space is 87 KB only, means I in the 100% I only used 17% only. And one more type is file space. Files means how much files are currently present in your org or applications. So currently 9.3 MB of files are stored in my applications. I used almost 50%. So this is very important for monitoring org health. Then how to edit company information. So this is the company information. I need to edit some information. How we can edit? So you simply click on edit. Now the important point is not everything is editable. In your company, all the things are not editable. Only few things are editable. That fields only we can see in editable option. So we can edit organization name, primary contact, division, phone number, fax, and security contact information. Maybe you can see the CEO or CFO name and their phone number and their address. And we can able to edit the local settings like languages, time zone, and default local. So what you understand? Editable information is only like company information, address, and contact details. Then non-editable informations are usually like organization ID, Salesforce instance, edition. These things we are not able to edit because this is our system generated things. So then what is a real-time example for this? So for example, let's say your company changes the office address. You should update that is in Salesforce. So reports, invoice, and company details are stay correct. So then what is the important things we need to remember? Only admin can access the company information. Org ID is very important. Never confuse with org ID between sandbox and production. So sandbox and production both are different. Storage should be monitored. If storage become full, user cannot create record properly. So yeah, this is how company information contains important org level settings. So it will help admin for monitoring license and storage. It contains org ID and editable details. So I hope you understand all these things. Thank you for watching.